In this class we will begin the study on assemblies, knowing the assembly environment and the initial operations for creating sets. Assemblies are assemblies made up of some or several parts, and may contain sub-assemblies, which are partial assemblies of parts of the assembly, previously assembled and added to the main assembly. Let's start the class. We will assemble a bale piston set, the pieces of which are available in class. First, from the File, New menu, we access the file type Assembly. Note that the Begin Assembly feature is shown automatically, allowing you to insert parts for assembly. Open parts or assemblies files are listed, and see that we can easily insert them by selecting and clicking on the graphic area. The first inserted part is fixed to the source, and note the letter F shown next to the name, indicating that the component is fixed. To insert more components, we go to the Insert, Component menu. See that we can insert existing files. Insert a new part file, which allows us to create the component in the assembly environment, but its information will be stored in the part file. Or we can still insert a new assembly file, which will be a sub-assembly of this assembly I'm working. We chose to insert an existing part. We locate the crankshaft and position it in the graphic area by clicking with the mouse. See that we can move this piece freely, and further we will see how to insert restrictions. Let us insert another component by dragging between the program windows with the help of the mouse. We can also drag from Windows Explorer windows. To create a copy of a component, simply drag it from the Feature Manager and hold down the Control key. This can also be done by selecting a component face in the graphic area, holding down the Control key and dragging in the graphic area. Note this other assembly, which already has the restrictions added correctly. We can move it with the help of the mouse, simulating its work operations. We can check the characteristics of the assembly by accessing the menu tools, Evaluate, Performance Evaluation. In the window that opens, information is displayed, for example, the number of components of the assembly, the description of the assembly files, specifying which are part files and which are sub-assemblies, among other information. In the mounting environment, we can use all the viewing features. See that we can quickly access any component of the assembly, as these are listed in the Feature Manager. We ended this class, where we began our study on assemblies, getting to know a little about the assembly environment.